Red, go. 난 모를 거야. 나만 날 모를 거야. Reconnecting with nature, guys. Oh look, it's a mini cucumber. Oh wait, there's a bug. Wait, isn't that a pest type of bug? Well, not my problem. Anyways, reconnecting with nature, guys. Cause what the frick is life, am I right? Finally back to my hometown. The sky is bigger than anywhere in my home country. The trees, the plants. This is the life. I'm just walking alone right now because my dad's playing Pokemon. But yeah, you hear that? Exactly. Just sounds of nature. It's amazing. It's amazing. Look at their monstera. So nice. Anthera, which I wanted. Sansevieria. Wait, this is so cute. Very furry. Oh wait, I found it. Ivy. Bruh, it was here. Ivy. I think this is mine. I think. The Hedera is it's very good. Yeah, that's mine. Mine's better. Wait, this is the Swiss cheese? Frangipani, Nicole's favorite flower. 哥姐姐最喜欢的花。Nicole 姐姐啦 butterfly。不用去了。Getting some shoes for casual. Need to try for my size though. Welcome to Belle's garden vlog. I think this is our backyard where there's lots of plants, and I'm gonna briefly introduce them. This is a longan tree. It's so huge. This longan tree that gets longan sometimes. There's some random plant here. Chrysanthemum. It's orchids. My grandma really likes orchids. This is her newest addition. Pale yellow and a bit purple. There's two. There's water plants. Try to put fish in it, but they all died, so. This is a mulberry tree. There you get mulberries. The red ones are edible, but they're kind of sour. The black ones are sweeter. Dracaena Chervascata. This bamboo. This is another longan tree. Also very huge. Then there's a lot of bees, but I think they don't bite. This is more orchid. Bro, look at this orchid. It's going up so high, but there's no flower yet. Their aloe vera grows so nicely because there's a lot of sun here. These red berries. Me and Jeffrey used to pick up these red berries when we were younger because when you press them, red comes out, like red dye. And then we would use rocks and dye the rocks red so it looks like fake blood. Fun times. I don't know what flower this is, but it's kind of pretty. This is a star fruit tree. The star fruits don't taste good, but they just drop to the ground. They don't grow really big. But yeah, star fruit tree. It's been here for longer than I've lived. There's also a passion fruit branch here somewhere. It's like mixed together with the tree. This vine of winter melon fixed this up like 5 minutes ago so that the winter melon doesn't fall out. It's winter melon season though. There's another one here. Plop. We also have a soursop tree. Look at this. It's soursop season too. Actually, is this ready? Nah, not yet. Tip, fun fact that I learned yesterday from my grandma. You have to wait for the soursop, these small stuff, to split before you can pluck it off. Currently, it's about to split, but not yet. A ladybug. That's crazy, the spots are inverted. So is that a bug lady? This is the other backyard. Very fragrant. Fish. The only thing I got today was my shirt. You get what I got it. And then my shoes, which I need for school next year. So classic Nike with a silver because it's kind of a waste to get the plain one. So I got it with a silver tinge because I kind of like silver. Yeah, that's all I got today. Today. It's quite cute, isn't it? I want to use it for scrapbooking. Like, I'm gonna try to pick up on scrapbooking next year in 2025. So maybe I was thinking I could use these stickers because it's quite cute, like the faces. Yeah, that's all I got today. 난 모를 거야.